Hello, hello everyone. Happy Wednesday. Happy Wednesday. We're going to get started here in just a second. I'll shut my door. So I'm not 100% sure if you guys have heard all the good news that's going on in Colorado today. And we've got some happenings going on. We are in the middle of a blizzard right now. So as soon as people come on, kind of let everybody know that I'm here, we will get started. We'll definitely get started. I'm going to put this up. Hi, Melissa. Hi, Stephanie. Stephanie, are you guys getting the blizzard portion of the snow, or are you getting just the snow and kind of sleety rain? Because it is snowing and windy out here. I wonder if you guys are getting the blizzard part as well. Well, it is 4 o'clock, and yes, you are. Yeah. Oh, my goodness. Crazy. So, my internet has been going in and out. So, I am going to go ahead and get started and kind of show you what we're doing today. We are going to, we have this paper pumpkin. And what we're going to do is an alternative to this month's paper pumpkin. If you guys remember, this paper pumpkin was this kit right here. We kind of went through it a while back, but this was the kit that was put out for March, and we're going to do an alternative to this today. And I think it's kind of different because a lot of times, a lot of these are cards. I chose to do something that was a 3D as opposed to a card. So hopefully you guys will stick around so that you can see this. The other thing I wanted to mention really quick was one thing is our retirement list will be coming out shortly. So you guys are not going to want to miss that. Hi, Kathy. Oh, and you're in Wisconsin. And it's snowing there too? Oh gosh. Yeah, we're getting a lot of snow. We are definitely getting the snow, the wind, that whole sort of thing. And I think I've got my voice is hoarse and stuff like that. I don't know if you guys can tell. So anyway, we're doing this paper pumpkin. I'm going to show you what we're making. I'm going to put this over here. And what I made was, first, let me see. Is there a card that I was going to do the card, but you guys can see, I can show you the cards. These are the cards that were made with the kit. But what I made, like I said, was I made 2 3Ds, kind of a box. We have some birthdays coming up. And so what I did was this is one of the cards, if you can see here, one of the cards right here. Is it 66 in West Virginia? I know my daughter said she's got the air conditioning on. Crazy. This was this card here. And what I did was I cut it and made it into a box. So that's what we're going to learn how to do today. And you can see I didn't use, except for this ribbon, I didn't use much of anything else to make this, except for the stuff that was in the kit. Now there's a card that's back here that is super simple. And bring that out, but this just basically this is the stamp that came along with it, which is this was one stamp set here, and this one was the stamp set that you got as a surprise gift in this one, and it says, "We celebrate you, happy birthday," that sort of stuff. Hi, Terry. So those were the stamp sets that were in it. And so what I did was I took the cards and I've cut these cards down to fit my little boxes, my little gifts here. So what we're going to do is not necessarily make the cards, because the cards are super simple. They're just, real easy. But I am going to show you how to make the container that they go into. So this is one. And again, all these shapes, everything that you see is from the Paper Pumpkin kit itself. So never think that Paper Pumpkin kit is just, you know, you only have to do what is subscribed here. You don't have to do this. This was made from this. The only thing that I added onto this was this bow. That's it. Everything else was in this kit. These little bows and things like that, and even this card, which I'm going to show you here in a second. And this one here as well. This one is just, so it has this is, this was one of the cards. I just cut it down to no card size to fit my little package there. And these are just bunny trail mix. So we're going to put that in there because it is so close to Easter. So this is what we're making. I'm going to put those up there for a second, and I'm going to show you how I made that box. So here are the cards. These are the cards that you get in the Paper Pumpkin kit, and these are normal size cards. So these are 5.5 by 4.25, and I'm going to use my trimmer. I'm going to bring my trimmer in, and so what I did was I actually went ahead and I put the score in my card, and so see, regular card, and what I did was I took it on both sides. I went in at 1 inch. I scored it 1 inch on this side. And I'm going to turn it around. And I'm going to score on 1 inch on this side. Okay. And I would press down a little hard because you're going through both of those. Now, when you open it up, you do have that one score that's right there. That was your 4.25 score. So what you're going to do is go in. And if you just want to line it up just for reference, that's your 4.25, which is right there. So I went over 5.25. Go over to 5.25, and then give it another score. I don't know if you can see those scores. You might not be able to see those score lines. Hi, Glenda. Is it snowing where you are too, honey? I'm sure it is. It is snowing everywhere in Colorado. So we're going to go ahead and fold on all of these score lines. Get my foam folder. Let's make a good crease on all of these, the 4.25, and also take these out. Take your whole card out like this, and then you have those other score lines that you made at the 1 inch mark. Score down all of those. And again, this is Paper Pumpkin. This is not what came with the kit, but like I said, you can do absolutely whatever you'd like with that kit. So it's like it's never a waste when you get your Paper Pumpkin kit, because you can do all kinds of things, and that's exactly what I try to do, is to do all kinds of fun things with Paper Pumpkin. So you got a little snow. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's coming down. I think the streets are covered now, but I'd have to go check. Bennett, one of our school districts, they closed school early today. And so what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and cut right up to that score line. If you guys can see that first score line, the 1 inch score line, then we have this little tab, and we're just going to go ahead and cut just a little bit off of there to make it easier to make our little box. Now this box, the way I've made this, can be made with anything. You know, with any card. You guys can totally make this with any card. So not just this, you know, not just the Paper Pumpkin. You can definitely make this with anything. And like I said, if you guys get to a point where you don't hear me or something, because my internet has been going in and out because of this storm that we're in. And we don't get Paper Pumpkin in Australia? No way! I think I read that somewhere, though. That's not fair. That's totally not fair. So does everybody see this box? How easy was that? All we did was we made one score here at the 5.25, and then we made 2 1 inch scores. So these boxes can come together so quickly, so super quickly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these two, and I'm just going to use snail just for the video. I'm not going to use you really should use some tear and tape like this. You should use that on your boxes just so that they stay together very, very well. And this one is my kind of like my play one. I can do it that way. And then on this one, actually, I don't want to do it all the way up because I know I'm going to cut that part off. So I'm going to do it part of the way down, not all the way up to the top because I know I'm going to cut that part off. And so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to adhere these together. There's one side. And then I'm going to do the other side, just like that. And so we have these two corners that are right here. And the only thing we're going to do with those is we'll start at this corner and then just cut all the way up. Let me get my scissors right there. Bam. And on this side, you're going to cut all the way down. Just like that. Without the snail. And there you go. How easy was that? I'm sorry, did I have it way up here? Sorry. How easy is that? Super, super easy. So this is from the Paper Pumpkin Kit. You guys can totally make this from your kit. And like I said, it's just from the cards that were there. And even there's other cards that were in it as well, that all I did was take the things from the cards and then made this cute little box. So it's super easy today. And then also I did use some of the cards to make these little cards that go in it that'll say celebrate and happy birthday and all that good stuff. Okay. So thank you guys for hanging out with me today. It's super, super short today. But I did want to show you the alternative that I have for the paper pumpkin. And I hope you guys try to make them too. And if you are not a subscriber of Paper Pumpkin and you consider it, don't forget you can consider to join our Paper Pumpkin Club, which is super fun. You guys would love it. We do all kinds of good stuff and always have the alternative as well. So I'll see you guys later. Have a good day. Bye. Stay warm, everybody in Colorado. Bye.